Steno Wale Babu welcomes you. Shorthand dictations in male and female voice from all sources like magazines, speeches, and editorials at various speeds up to 120 WPM for various departments like SSC, DSSB, CRPF, Delhi Police, etc. Please like, share, and subscribe the channel. Thank you.
Exercise number 5. Sir, let me refer to the defense. I will take this opportunity to clarify my stand. It is with the best of my intention. The other day, during the question hour on the foreign exchange, when I joined hands on the debate and asked the Prime Minister that even when the trade gap is of the order of more than rupees 8,000 crores, is it not a fact that unfortunately even 50 years after independence we have to import on a very large scale even the sophisticated weapons in this country? All of us here, whether we belong to this side or to that side, in patriotism we are second to none. In patriotic fervor, my patriotic feeling and emotion might to be higher than that of the Prime Minister, but I can assure this on the question of defense, on freedom and integrity of the country. If we are not ahead of the Prime Minister, we are at least on par with the Prime Minister. We will not lag behind anyone in this house as far as India's integrity and defense is concerned. That is the feeling with which we speak. All that we want is this: we do not want any umbrella as far as defense is concerned. Tomorrow, even if Pakistan does make a decision and it generates bomb as a man of nuclear physics, let me say that we can also generate a bomb in no time. The day we had the Pokhran explosion, it was a wonderful work done by our Indian scientists. Hats off to them. I wrote my article on that. We have already had the experiment of nuclear explosion and implosion for peaceful purposes. As a student of nuclear physics, let me tell you that the initial 5 to 6 processes starting from the separation of uranium isotopes are quite common to both the processes. You reach a particular stage, a little more jump, and you go to the nuclear weapons. That is exactly the progress as far as this field is concerned. Sir, tomorrow, even if we are required to choose this option, we will not like to choose the option of the United States of America or any other superpower. We will like to stand on our own legs. That is what I meant by saying that today, unfortunately, our self reliance in sophisticated weapons is negligible. Therefore, heavy imports from outside the country are there. Thank you.